How to make withdrawals through YaMarkets CRM. Open your web browser and go to the website www.yamarkets.com. On the website's homepage, you will see several options such as iOS, Global CRM, Copy Trading, and CRM. Log in to your account. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Fill in the CAPTCHA. Click on the Login button. Choose Internal Transfer. On the right side of the screen, choose the MetaTrader wallet. Choose the amount you want to transfer. Go back to your dashboard. Click on Withdraw. Choose the required action for withdrawal. Fill in the account details, amount, bank name, bank account number, and the banking code. The required amount is submitted, which would be reflected on the screen highlighting in green.